Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about the latest Windows 11 Insider pre-build for the dev channel, which is the build 26200.5710, and this is yet another build for Windows 11 25H2. This is a pretty small build, but in this video, I'm also going to mention a nice feature that I didn't mention last build. It is present as a hidden feature since last build, but in this video, I'm going to show it to you, and maybe if you're interested in it, I'm going to make also an updated video in which I'll show you how to enable it. But of course, if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, the feature that I forgot to mention is that Microsoft is adding new animations to the taskbar when hovering over certain apps and switching between them. As you can see, this is the animation right now. It is pretty rough. It has no transition whatsoever, but in a few seconds I'm going to show you how this new feature looks if you have that new feature enabled that brings in some new animations that will make this transition way smoother. And now with the feature enabled, let me show how this is looking in the taskbar. And basically, whenever I'm hovering over different apps, as you can see, we now have a nice transition with a fade in the preview and also a nice animation with the resizing of that certain app. So for example, if I were to change the size of File Explorer, it will match that. As you can see, it also changes things whenever we're doing something like that. I'm also going to resize the notepad window like this so we can see this animation better. As you can see, this is the animation. And let's try to open a few different apps here and see how this is looking. As you can see, this is the transition. Really nice, really fast in my opinion, and it's looking pretty good. This is something that I'm really glad Microsoft added in these latest builds for the dev channel, respectively Windows 11 25H2. In this build, Microsoft is focusing mainly on new AI features, which I'm gonna slightly mention so that you have an idea of what's coming for Copilot Plus PCs, of course. For Click to Do, Microsoft is adding a new Describe Image action to get detailed descriptions of images, charts, and graphs for AMD and Intel-powered Copilot Plus PCs. And related to the Narrator app, Microsoft is making visual content more accessible with image descriptions for Copilot Plus PCs yet again. One new change in the dev channel is that Microsoft will now start to collect logs when your PC has experienced any slow or sluggish performance, and also Windows Insiders are encouraged to provide feedback when experiencing PC issues related to slow or sluggish performance using the Feedback Hub. Also in Settings, and then Personalization, and then Lock Screen, Microsoft will add new widget suggestions for the lock screen. Of course, you need to have your OS activated in order to be able to use these features. Also, Microsoft is now adding a new settings page, settings in privacy and security, and then text and image generation to see which third-party applications recently used generative AI models provided by Windows. This page will give you visibility into specific apps leveraging local Windows-provided generative AI models and allows you to control which apps are permitted to use them. We only have two fixes in this build, one of them being related to the notification center. Microsoft fixed an issue where if you'd enabled the clock in the notification center, it might result in the notification center getting clipped, and also they fixed an underlying issue with dbgcore.dll, which could lead to explorer.exe and some other apps crashing recently. What is nice about this build is that we don't have any new known issues, only those that are documented since the last few preview builds, so of course you can check out the article below or the official Microsoft blog post for more information. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.